Have you ever tried to make a logo or poster with AI and ended up with weird, broken letters that look like alien language? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that finally gets it right? Say hello to Ideogram AI, the best AI image generator in 2025, especially if you need real, clean, readable text inside your images. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, designer, business owner, or just someone who loves playing with cool AI tools, today's video is going to be your new favorite. Because Ideogram is a total game changer. So what makes Ideogram AI different from all the other image generators out there? Unlike most AI tools that struggle to generate proper writing inside images, Ideogram nails it. You can literally ask it to create a poster that says summer vibes in bold pink neon letters, and it actually writes summer vibes and not summer BLRBS or some weird gibberish. Let's hop onto the site and I'll show you exactly how it works. Clapperboard Step 1, visit ideogram AI. No confusing setup. No software download. Just go to the site, log in or create a free account and boom, you're in. You'll see a super clean interface. Just one box asking, what do you want to create? Clapperboard Step 2, type your prompt. Let's say I want to create a cool gaming logo. I'll type a bold esports team logo that says, Shadow Legends, futuristic, red and black colors, 3D style, centered text. Click generate, and wait a few seconds. And here it is. A crisp, professional-looking gaming logo with clean text that says Shadow Legends. Exactly as we asked. Clapperboard Step 3, try a poster or thumbnail. Now let's try something different. Maybe I'm a YouTuber making a tech review video. I type YouTube thumbnail, best AI tools in 2025, blue neon text, tech background, eye-catching design. And again, Ideogram delivers a polished, click-worthy thumbnail with real, readable text. No Photoshop needed. Oh, and here's a cool feature. You can choose from different styles before generating, like typography, cinematic, pixel art, product mockups, graffiti, and more. Just click the little style buttons and your art gets a whole new vibe. Clapperboard, let's do a fun one just for the memes. Prompt. Funny cat sitting on a pizza, text. Pizza Cat Supreme, cartoon style. Instant masterpiece. Not only is the image hilarious, but the words Pizza Cat Supreme actually appear sharp and readable. Artist palette, what can you create with Ideogram? Logos for your business or YouTube channel. Posters for events or social media. Book or album covers. Memes with text. YouTube thumbnails. Social media content. Even merch designs for t-shirts and mugs. And yes, it's completely free to use for basic features. You can download your creations, share them, or even remix them using the community's public prompts. Wrap gift pro tip. Add quotation marks to control text. If you want the AI to definitely write the exact text you want, use quotes like this. Modern tech logo that says NextGen AI in bold white letters. That little trick works like magic. So, whether you're a beginner, a busy entrepreneur, a student making a school poster, or a YouTuber building your brand, Ideogram AI makes design stupid easy. No learning curve. No messy tools. Just type, click, and boom, instant art with actual words. Alright fam, that's it for today's breakdown of Ideogram AI. I'm telling you, this tool is the future of quick and creative design. No more ugly logos. No more broken letters. Just pure AI magic. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome AI tools, and drop your favorite prompt idea in the comments. I might feature it in the next video. Stay creative, stay curious, and as always, keep designing smarter, not harder.